happy Vlogmas. We're about to head out for the day, and of course, we're taking you along. So, let's go. Okay, so we are doing one of Savannah's top choices as far as tours.
Southern Flavor.
It's the Southern Flavors
Savannah tour.
Savannah tour. Mother Nature is not cooperating. We haven't even started our tour and the storm clouds are out. So there's a shop right at the corner. We're grabbing ponchos and umbrellas.
Here, quickly got rid of those plans for the military colony. He set down into our beautiful city we know and love to this day. The reason he designed Savannah this way, Oglethorpe had just seen them rebuild Paris. Paris suffered a massive fire. So it was rebuilt as a grid system that's to help them get around to fight any future fires there. He decides he's gonna do the same thing here, also incorporated the squares you see everywhere around the city. This is why Southern food comes in bowls. Yeah, it wasn't just a Yamacraw burial ground. They dated the burial mounds here in Savannah, native burial ground all the way back to 3,500 BC.
How was the shrimp and grits?
Mandarin and the ponchos.
How was the shrimp and grits?
Shrimp and grits were good. So was that little piece of
Cheesecake.
strawberry cheesecake. It was good.
All right, y'all. The tour said rain or shine.
Rain or shine.
So we're out here.
Got an umbrella too.
Thank you. Alright, y'all, let's see.
I don't like spicy.
It does have a spicy kick.
Yeah.
Their hot sauce.
Hot sauce. Yeah.
So this is my first time having the fried crab claws. You're used to those. It's one of your staples.
Yep, appreciate it. It is different.
I exist in a permanent state of hunger and rebellion in the past. I will never not eat it because
He's saying yes.
He's saying yes.
He wants
first, I can very fast. Secondly, I'm very good with food.
Jessica, who's that?
Yep.
I got three.
Oh. Oh, wow.
No one of my sons got like
God.
7,000 calories.
Wait, Jessica, how?
Let me eat in slow motion for you.
She is hilarious.
No, no.
Yes.
So this is much better. Yeah. I wish I knew we should just come through. Oh my God.
Oh, this is so good. Yeah, it tastes like honey and horseradish.
Thin, it's low carb.
It's the perfect combination.
From the river. See there though, they are silver stores. You are abusing at your own risk. I don't think these are too bad though. I'm going to tell you the bad ones at the end. We are going to go check out the Stone Stairs of Death.
Oh, okay.
Unlike me, they do have a Facebook page.
Find the route that works for you.
I can't be taking responsibility if you follow my route and it did not work out for you. Last thing I want is a one-star review stopping up a Google. Yeah, I followed him right to a puddle.
The old pink house,
What kind of food did they have? Southern?
Southern. It's unbelievable.
Really?
It's ranked #1 in the city.
Oh, wow.
It's our darling restaurant.
Oh, that sounds
Collard
good.
greens and butter beans.
Ooh.
A sweet potato with a vanilla maple butter.
Oh,
It was really good.
that sounds right up our alley.
It's the best meal we've had here.
Okay.
Those are the stairs there that go down that Planet's Tavern. These here are adorable. I love the fishy gutters. They are a form of gargoyle. Fish was supposed to spit water and spirits away from the building. Cool. These are the original slates here for the walkway. Your feet can very easily tell the difference between the real.
Oh, yes, yes. Sandwich toast. Ooh. I like this.
What was better, the sauce from the last place or the sandwich?
Oh, no. That sauce is on its own. That sauce is epic. But this is I like the flavor of this barbecue. My husband doesn't like sauce, so I feel for him because he's missing out. But oh my gosh,
This was good.
this is great. And this is coming from a food tour fan.
So she's a food tour pro.
Turn up.
Okay, yeah. I want to see what your reaction. Good. Has a good like smoky, but a good amount of sweet. Guys, so if you're ever in Savannah, I do recommend this tour. I am stuffed. Had a nice cocktail.
was horrible. There's a long list of people you could never have work next to me because I didn't.
Just did it, y'all. He did
And
it.
drinking
The death of, wait, is it death or steps? Steps of death. Stone stairs of death.
You haven't really done it until you do it with 6 stilettos and it's drinking.
Because there's people living over here now. Oh Lord, you done came across a little community under here, child. Fun fact, so the water ferry and the shuttle or the trolleys are free. Y'all, so we are doing the behind the scenes commentary of this because we're trying to figure it out. Legit, guys. Tay said it was gonna be three stops. I didn't know. First of all, I
wasn't sure how many stops.
First of all, I didn't know any of the things that was going to happen for this weekend. So I'm just going along. I just packed my clothes. I didn't know nothing. I looked up the weather, a week or two in advance. I packed early. Anyway, so we get to the second spot. Now, the first thing was a bowl of grits. Now, grits are heavy, okay? They were very good, but grits are heavy. So I was low-key full off of the grits. So we walked down the steep pathway that you guys saw there, trying to concentrate on the fact that it's raining. We're walking down cobblestone in some Adidas, okay? There's no grip.
Right.
It was a lot going
scary.
on. Holding the phone to tape for y'all and the umbrella. Okay? There was a lot going on. So we get to the second stop and they had crab claws.
Crab claws.
Which Tay is very familiar with those because she's like, that's her thing. I had never had the fried crab claws before.
They're
So
really good in Mobile, Alabama.
apparently that's what they say. So we got them and you guys saw the size of them. So I was like, okay, so we were just doing like little small tastings. The next stop, it was like a full meal to me. I was like, what? So no sooner
Wait, what's the next stop? What was the next stop?
the chicken strips
Oh yeah, the chicken strips and
the taters, the slices of the
sliced skin, tater skin.
tater skins. Really good. It was really good. But before you could like savor, Aubrey is like, okay, so we're going to the next stop. So I had to mentally prepare because I'm like, what?
Well, while we were at the getting the crab claws, one of the people asked how many more stops, and he was like 4 more after this one, and I was like 4 more.
But I thought, because she had said it was 3 eating spots. So I was like, okay, so maybe we're just going to look at some scenery, blah, 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 blah. Yo! We legit ate everywhere except for in the square, on the way to the next thing. This was so worth, do this tour. It was worth it. Y'all, we pulled.
The money that I spent, it was worth it. Considering how much food they did give
We
us.
pulled up to the hotel now, and I'm contemplating if I can walk to get on the elevator to get to the room. I'm full. Okay.
All right, I'm gonna go inside.